Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to change language on any Itel phone. Let's begin. So all you want to do is go to settings. In the settings you want to scroll all the way down, and at the very bottom you want to click system. Here at the very top you want to click languages and input, and once again at the very top you want to hit languages. And now we can click other languages in order to add, well, other languages. For example, let's add Polish. We want to hit apply language. And as you can see now, the Polish language is the highest, higher in the hierarchy, meaning that everything else will be now Polish. And when Polish is not available, it will switch to English. So let's switch the order, and now English is back at the top. And of course we can add more languages, we can switch between those, we can do however and whatever we want. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.